Good morning, YouTubians. How y'all doing on this Tuesday? It's like 11 something, and I gotta go pick up my trail from school. Cause he throwing up. I don't know what it is about this boy. He always getting sick. I don't understand. If he ain't throwing up, he got nosebleed. Not nosebleed. He getting real sick. So it's either, you know what I'm saying, it's either a nosebleed, throwing up, or he coughing or sneezing or something. Just, I don't know, man. Boy, immune system is all jacked up or something. But I'm about to go pick him up. I'm so tired. So tired. Sick man. Yeah. Right in the back. Sick man. Now he gotta stay out for the rest of the day and tomorrow too. Cause it's sick policy. They don't want nobody to come back to school. Not the next day, but the following day after that. Retarded. Just retarded.
So I'm headed to go pick up my brother. Finna take him to go get his car from the shop. Then I'm finna run some errands. Even though it's raining and ugly outside, it's pretty, well, yeah, it's pretty warm. They say it's supposed to get up to 60, 66 today. And then tomorrow it's supposed to snow. I don't understand. But I don't think it's supposed to stick or nothing. I don't even think it's supposed to get below freezing tomorrow, so.
What's this?
Trash. Put it out.
Put it out where?
Put it over.
Nigga. Hell. How you got that much?
It's my trash can.
I'm not even gonna say much. Nigga say put it out over here like this a dumpster or something.
I mean, you can put it in your trash can.
Damn, all these people coming. Shit.
No, it's in there.
$700 for?
Why you didn't call me? I know a dude that fix clothes.
I ain't think it was gonna be $700. They were supposed to be on the phone, but I needed a what you call it?
So what was wrong with it? The heater coil?
The heater coil in the radiator.
Is that why your air don't work?
No, my heat don't work, but the heat's supposed to work.
Oh.
How much is this? Oh, $114. It's different.
Which way to go?
Go that way. Go to the left. You gotta slow down though. You just pull up out there. You supposed to stop way back there.
Man, shut up.
Shit.
I'm not gonna talk about your job.
I ain't running the stop sign.
I ain't run no stop sign. I stopped.
You done nigga killed. I'm gonna call him and say I'm gonna be here. Top
So I'm in Walmart picking up random stuff. I only came in here for a table, which is under here, but ended up getting food for EJ, diapers, and baby wipes. And some oatmeal. Might as well pick up a few groceries while I'm in here. So I made it home. I picked up these cute little shorts. Anaya, she got more clothes than me. Picked up these cute little shorts for Anaya. How much are these? $7, $6.96. I burnt my breakfast bowl. I'm addicted to these Jimmy Dean breakfast bowls. I got the steak and cheese. These right here. Oh my goodness, they are so delicious. Hey y'all, so good morning. Say good morning.
We all eat foods that are acidic.
This will be day one
when we show them where they're getting the acid and what those acids can do to the enamel. There's only so much enamel on a tooth, and everybody needs to do something about it now if they want to preserve
and broke
their teeth.
skin on both breasts.
Pronamel because it helps strengthen
baby, do it.
It makes it more resistant to acid breakdown.
So we got his little sippy cup.
The course of our life. And by using Pronamel every day, just simply using it as your toothpaste.
He'll drink out of it so he won't starve. Only thing that he probably will miss is being able to nurse on me. But he won't starve, and I still hold him and color them. But you got to go, boo-boo. You got to go. Do you think it's funny, man? So, need to go to the grocery store and get some formula. Because right now we only got one can. So yeah, no more. No more.
You have to see it to believe it.
Look at it, it's a blizzard. See that blizzardness over there? See the blizzardness up under the lights? You can see the blizzard going. This is how I look out here now. Yeah, what up? I'm back from work. See, what had happened was I went to work at 9, right? And like an hour and 30 minutes from me being there, a whole bunch of sleet started hitting it. I started hearing something. I'm like, damn, is that sleet? When I said, oh my God, so bad. So everybody ended up leaving because it was gonna get bad. Man, I'm driving on my way home. It's like what time was it? Like 10:30. I made it home at 11:30. It took me a whole hour. It usually take me like 20 minutes to get home. It was bad out there. Y'all just seen what I just showed y'all. It looked like a blizzard just hit. And it's March. We don't usually get snow in March. That's ridiculous. Anyway, just been lounging around not doing nothing. Oh yeah, I didn't tell y'all about the situation I had at work. Not today, but yesterday. It's not funny, but it's funny to me because y'all know how I don't know why it's like Hispanics, they always think they could just use the N-word without anybody saying nothing to them. So one of my coworkers, came up, this N, I said, oh, whoa. I said, yeah, we don't do that type of stuff around here. So I had to set him straight. Wasn't no big deal. I set him straight. But my thing is, why do y'all feel like y'all could just feel the need to just say that in front of us like that? Like, some of us don't say nothing, but me, I mean, that's just like me just running around just calling Hispanics wetbacks all the time. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just saying, like, or just running around calling Caucasian or white folks crackers or something. Like, I never do that. Because I don't disrespect people like that. So why is you running around just saying the N-word freely like that? I mean, don't make sense to me. That was just a little small thing. Took care of it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this vlog. You know what I'm trying to say? Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to us. We'll see you out the next one. Peace.